everybody. So we are filming a weekend vlog this weekend. It was going to be a little bit more exciting, but sadly the wind has put pay to that. It's really windy where we are, and we were meant to be having carnival day today and fireworks, and I know a lot of the floats have pulled out because it's so windy, and a lot won't be able to take part because of the wind, and the fireworks have now officially been cancelled. So I don't think we're going to bother going down, are we?
No.
We're going to get cold and windy and just not nice. But tomorrow we are off to Rural Pastimes. We're not camping this year because of this little addition down there. But yeah, hopefully next year we will be camping, won't we?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, that's little Oreo. He's a big pain in the bottom, isn't he, Lils? He's slowly getting there. He's better than he was, but yes, he's a handful, bless him. But we're just playing some Playmobil, aren't we?
I'm sorting out the cow milker.
Yeah. And yeah, so hopefully I should get some nice footage tomorrow. But today I think we're just going to have a day in, staying out that awful weather, hoping Nanny and Grandad are okay in their caravan.
Yeah.
I'm kind of glad we weren't camping because of that wind. I don't think I would have got much sleep, do you?
No.
No, neither do I. But yeah, we're going to continue playing, and yeah, let's see where this day takes us. So we have had a really chilled day. My hair has gone afro as usual, and I've not even been outside. Me and Liam have just been watching telly. Lil's been playing her room quite happily, and the kitten's been asleep most of the afternoon, and so's Jack. So it's been a really quiet afternoon. It's been quite weird actually, but yeah, just sitting here at the moment. Oreo's now awake and is playing with Lil's in the bedroom. Well, she's playing with Oreo in the bedroom. Jack's still asleep on the tumble dryer. He sleeps most of the day now, where he's getting a bit older. Like, he's just over a year old now, so he sleeps a lot more, and when he's awake he's not into playing as much, which Lils is gutted about. But we can't do much about that, bless her. So me and Lils have just tried a few of these, and I've only just tried one because I'm a wimp.
I ate the grass one.
She did, she just tried grass, but they've got flavours like rotten egg, sausage, soap, vomit.
I'm not trying soap, definitely.
Dirt, earwax, booger. Oh, you eat boogers anyway.
No, I don't.
So yeah, I'm really. I think we might do a challenge with these one day. That sound good?
Yeah, Jack eats his boogers.
But I'm just gonna drink my tea.
I still have to taste the grass right now.
Ugh. She said it tasted good. She's weird.
Now it's making me want to eat real grass.
Oh, look at my soppy cat. This is my big boy.
He's actually technically mine.
Look at him. Bless his heart. Hello. You on Candy Camera.
Candy camera.
He's so gorgeous, Jack. He looks so big compared to Oreo though.
Yeah, and he feels a lot heavier.
He does feel very heavy. So we've just been to Aldi, and oh my god, is it windy. Look at the state of my hair. But we just need a few bits to get from Aldi and from the village. I've just told Lils a big secret. How exciting is it?
Yeah, it's super.
She's very windswept as well. We're just going to get home though. And yeah, I'll show you what we got when we get home anyway. Right, so this is everything I picked up from Tesco. So I've just got some bourbons for Liam, a loaf of bread, some Sunbite crisps they were on offer for £1, some Aero bubbles, some jam tarts, and some more snacks for Lily, which are the Barney Bears. She absolutely loves these. And then this is what I got from Aldi. So I've got a chunky mushroom pasta sauce, some antibacterial hand wash, cocoa rice or choco rice, some mini fillets for our dinner tonight, and a jacket spud because I thought I can cut this into chips. We've only got other new potatoes otherwise. That is everything that we picked up while we were out. So I am just prepping dinner. We are having the Maggie's So Juicy chicken, which is a cook in the bag one. Never used this before, and it's Cajun chicken. So I got some half new potatoes and chicken fillets, is what we prefer. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. So it is Sunday and we are going to real pastimes today. The weather's not amazing, like it's still blowing a gale, but we're going and we're going to have as much fun as possible and just let Lils be a child, and if you know what I mean. But yeah, so that is our main plan for today. She's all dressed and ready. I'm still in my pyjamas. My hair's sort of sorted out. I need to put some makeup on. You right, Lils? Yeah. Where are you? There you are.
I'm excited.
She's very excited. She's already packed a bag to go with her purse and everything in.
I'm bringing my toy tractor, my toy, and some toy food.
Yep, she's got all them in a bag, so.
The tractor actually, the digger bit actually moves.
Do you know what that digger bit's called?
Spade.
No.
Bucket.
That's it. Clever girl.
I will show you.
I will get her to show you in a minute. But yeah, so I suppose I need to get dressed really because we're going about 1, so we've got a couple of hours. But I do like to be organised and sorted before we go, so yeah, that's my plan now. Okay, so here's Lil's tractor. Excuse my knee. Does that go down as well? Does it move? Yeah.
And then
So show it from the side.
And the other side.
There you go.
And if you spin this side of the wheel, the other side will move.
Oh yeah. Cool.
And you can drive
Very cool.
It's doing a wheelie.
I'd be quite worried if a tractor was doing a wheelie.
It just dip backwards and go on its head.
It would, yeah. We are now home from the fair. We didn't spend too long there because people were starting to pack up while we gone a little bit later. But Lil's got some thinking sand, which is a bit like kinetic sand, and she has mixed it together over there. Where are you? So it's now purple and pink. It was 2 separate colours in the same pot, so she's mixed them together. And then we also got some bath bombs. So I have got, that's your one, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is mint chocolate. Oh, it smells so good. And then I got a blueberry one, which looks really cool and smells good.
Smell.
And then also got a rose one, which looks good, and it's got rose petals in. And that smells really good too. And there were 3 for $5. And then Lil's picked herself a little rubber ducky for the bath.
And sweets. I'll show you.
There you go. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What else did you do?
I went on the flying chair.
You did, didn't you?
Yeah.
Right.
And so a horsey
What was the horsey doing?
ploughing.
Well done, it was. But yeah, so we're home now. I'm just about to have a snack and chill out for a bit. And Lil's gonna go play, aren't you?
Yeah.
Gonna go play with your slime.
Yeah.
Well, your sand.
Mhm.
So I am just cooking Lil's dinner now. Me and Liam are eating later. We're technically having the same thing. Lil's is having fish fingers with chips and cucumber. We've got yellow cucumbers, which are lemon cucumbers, which were kindly grown and then given to us. And then me and Liam are having scampi and chips. Then I have got some marifat peas for it and some fresh tartar sauce. Oh, I wouldn't mind having my hair cut that short. It's getting long again. And as much I like it being long, it's so frustrating to like straighten and keep sorted. I had to wash my hair in cold water the other day. We ran out of gas just so I put the conditioner in. It was not pleasant. But yeah, so that's our plans for this evening. Lil's is going to have her mint choc bath bomb. And yeah, we're just going to hopefully have a good evening. The kitten is now in the kitchen because he has been naughty and attacked Jack for the third time in 2 days. And he's not been like that, so I'm a little bit like, we can't have that. And I don't want to get rid of Oreo, but at this rate, if he's not going to be nice and they can't get along, it's not fair on either of them to keep them in the house together. So that's what we're debating at the moment, and it's really frustrating. But anyway, I best get on because the time is going to go in a second for Lil's dinner. So Lil's is just in the bath playing with this little rubber jacket that she got. Can I show it?
Yeah, I'm trying to take the plug out.
From the same seller who gave us the, well, not gave us, but sold us the bath bombs.
And then
it has this little plug that makes it squeak.
But I don't like it squeaking. And you can fill it up with water and then make a fountain.
So she's playing in the bath at the moment in a yellow bath with actual chocolate sprinkles in.
You can eat them.
No, you can't eat them because they've been mixed with bath bomb ingredients.
But you can eat them in real life when they haven't got those bath ingredients.
And I think I've decided to have a bath myself with one of my bath bombs. Lily has chosen the blueberry one for me, haven't you?
Yep. I think blueberry would smell the best.
Yeah.
I'm going to scrub.
And then I'm just going to get her ready for
I
bed.
said to Mummy that you can do water fights with the ducks.
Yeah.
You could get like two ducks and then have a water fight with them.
So yeah, I think I'm going to leave it here for tonight, and I hope you enjoyed this weekend vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and we shall see you all very, very soon. Bye!
See you next week, I think.